So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy commodities here on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and then press on place order. Once you're on this page right here at the top, I want you to go ahead and press where it says name or symbol. Now, you can't actually invest in commodities directly, so you can't just buy like gold or silver or whatever. Instead, you have to go the ETF route, but it's very straightforward. So, for example, I'll just show you guys a bunch of different ETFs as an example. So, if you want to find maybe a gold ETF index, you can go ahead and type in XGD as an example. And as you can tell, this is actually a TSX Gold Shares Index ETF. So we'll just go ahead here. There you go. iShares SPY TSX Global Gold Index ETF. So that's an example. If I wanted to search again and maybe you wanted to invest into silver as an example, I can go ahead and show you guys, a silver one. So we'll go SVR. .c just as an example here. So as you can tell, that's a silver ETF. Maybe if you wanted to do agriculture, you can type in ticker symbol COW. And right here, there's the global agriculture ETF, or whatever the case may be. You can get creative. So if I wanted to do, let's just say this one as an example, I'll just go ahead and proceed this way. You can just go ahead here to the top. Where it says select an account, I want you to go ahead and select your account. Once your account is selected, I want you to go to where it says action, and I want you to go ahead and select on buy. You can also go to the bottom and select your market type order, so go ahead and do that right now. Once that is done, you can type in the amount of stock that you want to buy, or the amount of shares, or the dollar value, etc. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and press continue to proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to buy commodities on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.